Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about one of the most useful features in Playwright before each and after each hooks. This helps you save time, avoid code repetition and keep your tests clean and organized. So let's begin. Create a new test file. Right click on test folder, new file and then enter file name oops dot spec dot ts. Enter this code here and remove all this one. Now, inside we will write the test case change here. Test dot before each. Let's understand about before each. Before each runs automatically before every test. Perfect for setup task like opening a page or logging. Enter here URL. Let's set up URL. Await page dot go to and then enter URL here on this one, and this is the URL. Enter URL here. Remove this one. Now this blob of code will be execute before every test. Let's add test cases inside here. Create test and then click on this home. Click on home async round bracket and page. After this round bracket, we need to enter here callback function. Now, suppose we want to click on this home. So right click here, inspect. This is link and it contains a home text. Await page dot click anchor tag and then has dash text and round bracket. Inside this round bracket, we will enter the text which is a home. Enter comma here. After this round bracket, enter comma. We want to click on this, so here we use await page dot click method. This is click method. Let's add another test case. This is our second test case. And click on this about us. Right click here, inspect, and this thing contains about us text. We just need to change here this text. Now, add after each. After each runs after every test, great for cleanup actions like logging out or resetting data. Suppose we want to print some text after each test executions. So here we will add after each test dot after each async and then round bracket curly bracket page and then callback function. we can print some text here. Console dot log and print this text, which is test. Enter single quote here. Test is finish. Save this file, and here we can print some text. Console dot log open admin page, every test case, and this after each block of code will be executed after the execution of test case. Now click on about us, and test is finish. Save this file, click on view, and then click on terminal. This is space. Save this file and enter command here, npx playwright test, enter file name, dot spec dot ts, head it project Chromium. Click on enter for running the test, and here we have total 2 test cases in this file, running 2 tests using 2 workers. Navigate to this URL, click on home, and then click on about us, and then close the browser. As you can view here in terminal, open admin page, this test case. Before execution of this test case, navigate to this URL and print open admin page, and then execute this test case. Click on about us. Before execution this test case, it's navigate to this URL and print this open admin page, and test is finished. That's how you can use before each and after each in Playwright to make your automation framework more powerful and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Playwright tutorials. See you in the next video.